Keith here. We're over in Queenstown for the start of episode 6 to talk to council. QLDC have been super supportive of our project so far, and today we're going to meet with Kath, who's the council's waste management expert. Tell us how much waste the average build produces.
The average 3-bedroom house produces up to 5 tonnes of waste, which is the equivalent of 3 to 4 9 cubic metre skip bins. Whatever way you look at it, that's too much waste, particularly since at least 50% of that could have been reused or recycled. In our district, construction and demolition waste accounts for more than 30% of the materials sent to Victoria Flats landfill. That's more than 200 tonnes per week.
Wow, okay, so that's like the size of a blue whale.
Pretty much. A large portion of this could have been avoided in the first place or given a second life through the implementation of good design and on-site work practices focused on reducing waste.
That was an insightful conversation with Kath. It's crazy to think that 30% of waste going to landfill in this region is directly from the construction industry. A big part of why we chose to use Urquhart Construction as our builders is because they're really conscious of their waste management and waste minimisation.
So over the years, Lockie and I have noticed a growing amount of waste. Every time you go to the dump, it kind of breaks your heart to see what's being thrown in there. We've tried to minimise that and recycle as much as we can. So with items like polystyrene, cardboard, wood where we can, we put as much effort as possible into reusing that or recycling that.
Hey, great to see the barn finish, mate. How much waste do you think came out of it?
The barn didn't have a lot of waste because it's a really simple structure. Not a great deal of material. It doesn't have a lot of timber in it. The iron that we had offcut from, that's 100% recyclable. So yeah, pretty minimal waste in that barn. It's great.
Yeah, great. And you guys do a standard waste sorting system on all your building sites now, right?
Yeah, we do. We split the waste into 5 categories, and that way we can easily package it up and take it into town and recycle it and make sure that it gets to the right place without getting to landfill.
So with the Urquhart's on-site sorting system, we decided not to use a skip on-site for the whole build. You often hear builders say that it's too time-consuming to sort waste on-site and too expensive for the client in the long run. So I thought I'd just give it a go myself and actually see how long it takes. So we'll revisit this topic when we've got a wider variety of waste to sort through, and we'll take a look at what materials can be downcycled, recycled, and what actually ends up going into landfill. Make sure you tune in for the next episode, as we'll be looking at how to plan ahead for energy efficiency.